Just a quick update. If you watched the last video, I went over pretty extensively about dollar yen being in a major buy zone, which would coincide with gold being in a sell zone because they're inversely correlated. And this is a chart of gold. I mean, if you know, from the, if you gold has saw a lot of strong support at the 1200 area. That was also covered as likely a major long point, and you had that. And on a longer term basis, I would expect further up in gold. It's complicated by the fact that I have that same situation in dollar yen, but they're inversely correlated. So either one of them is going to break down, or that correlation is going to break, and so it's probably not going to break right away. And what will happen maybe initially is you'll have, as dollar yen gets bought up, you're going to have some downside in gold. We'll see how bad this gets in gold. But right now you are getting a very good short signal where you hadn't really had a lower low, so there wasn't any reason to short it. But now you had this lower high in this hourly chart on gold, lower low for the first time, and now you have what's possibly forming this lower high forming. So you can take a short, like I guess here, the 130, anywhere above 131 is not bad. With a stop just above these highs, so maybe a stop at 135.60 would be fine. Targeting, obviously this prior low here down there, but certainly I'm looking for a target a bit lower, so maybe the same distance of this drop down to here. So that would be about $8. So an $8 move from 1332 level would be like down to 1224, taking it down to this area down here. It really just depends on where this tops out. There's a certainly good chance that it already did at around around 132, like the 130, the 1232s. So this short in here or in silver is looking like a good deal. I have on his 15-minute, stochastics divergence. I mean, this is a 50% fib area. This is a very good area for that to have topped out. And if that tops out again, I mean, you have dollar yen in this major short area. Major long area after this higher high here, and this higher low, sort of, which really to a very significant degree is showing a massive sign that dollar yen is gonna embark on like another major move, like maybe like that or something. At least it'll go through the beginnings of it, and then we'll see what happens. But dollar yen has not higher high, but it is showing a lot of support. So I'm flipping through charts without giving the time frame. But this is a 4-hour chart, and you're seeing obviously at around the 112.50s, low 112s, just a great deal of prior support here, and it hasn't higher high yet, but it is showing a lot of support there, and you are seeing that first signs of you are seeing the major signs of no higher high yet. But you are seeing a lower low in gold, and dollar yen should correlate so long as gold doesn't produce another high. So anyway, yeah, that's it. That's probably one of the best trading opportunities possibly that'll emerge today, and see if that works out.